Hi everyone! Welcome back to my channel. Today I'll show you how to crochet this beautiful red and white swirl motif. It's quick, beginner-friendly, and can be used as an applique, keychain decoration, hair accessory, or part of a larger crochet project. So grab your yarn and let's get started. Start with the red yarn. Make a magic ring. Work 12 single crochets into the ring. Pull the ring tight and join with a slip stitch. For the second round, increase evenly around until you have a flat small circle. Fasten off, leaving a small tail. Now it's time for the white swirl. This is made as a separate crochet piece, but before completing it, pass it through the center of the red swirl. Continue crocheting until it's finished. This simple technique creates the beautiful interlock design without sewing the two swirls together. And that's it. This crochet swirl can be used as an applique, keychain, hair accessory, or added to larger crochet projects like bags, hats, or blankets. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. See you in the next video.